Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 9 of hybrid zoology. This week, we're going to be starting our next mini unit on annelids, or segmented worms. Annelids serve an important role in ecosystems. They aerate substrates and serve as important decomposers. Some announcements. First, your open note take-home test is due today, midnight at the latest. And the quarter also ends today on Friday, November 13th. All makeup work needs to be done by then. Next week, we're going to do our first in-class dissection. We're going to do an earthworm dissection. We're going to be observing the digestive system of an earthworm and the coelom of an earthworm. So have that on your radar. That'll be next week. And then the expectation is, as always, that you take notes as you watch Edpuzzles, and the new folder is posted in Google Classroom with the notes. Here are the objectives for the week. You will be able to describe the different adaptations that different annelids possess. You will be able to explain the evolutionary importance of segmentation, and you will be able to describe the processes of circulation, respiration, digestion, and reproduction in annelids. And you will write a claim, evidence, reasoning, and analysis as to whether annelids have senses. And if so, which senses? This is the agenda for the week. It's a short agenda because we did not have class on Wednesday. For those of you in cohort A, first thing you got to do is make sure you get that take-home test done. And that test is open note. The notes are attached with the test, so you are more than welcome to use your notes. There'll be the new Edpuzzle video on annelids, and there'll be an annelid adaptations activity. In class on Tuesday, we're going to be observing live earthworms. We're not going to be dissecting them yet. Instead, we're just going to do some tests on some living earthworms in order to determine whether or not they are able to sense temperature and light, and if they are able to smell. And then for cohort B, in class, we're going to be doing the earthworm experiments. If you haven't done the take-home test, you need to make sure you do it at home Friday night. And then your remote work is going to be the same. You're going to watch the Edpuzzle on annelids and do the annelid adaptations activity. If you have any questions on any of these assignments, please feel free to send me an email.